Stop by, you can see them in a PowerPoint slide to kind of set up this demo. So what I'm going to show you is we're ingesting data from a sports calendar of some kind. The current series is NFL, and that's all been set. You can go check out our YouTube channel for that stuff. What I'm showing is real-time data ingest into S3 buckets via SES of the NBA schedule. So what I'm going to show you in this illustration is how the data comes into the SES mailbox set up as crate@calendarsnack.com. We disassemble the new calendar invite data from that box, and we use a bit of standard tooling, including SNS, SQS, Lambda to ETL, essentially extract, transform, and load those components with the UID with Lambda Python, code into DynamoDB, and those UID events are ready to send upon summoned in any of our techniques to send the calendar invites on our calendar server stack on AWS. So that said, let's just jump into the demo part. So you can see in game data, I have the Atlanta Hawks loaded here on the right. That's all the game data for the 80 events. The last one I ingested on Calendar Snack was the Boston Celtics. That was for 11/12, and that's right here. So let me go to a bigger visualization of this here. Since it is a web client, I should be able to magically make it bigger for the demo, which is always helpful. And you'll see here my next one coming up in the game schedule is the 15th. I'm going to go ahead and make that bigger, pop it out. You can see I'm hit the edit button here. And all I'm going to do is type in the crate address, which is crate@calendarsnack.com. I'm going to hit send. You can see it sent it to that box on AWS, and that box will disassemble it as I spoke about, get it ready, and send out a Calendar Snack invitation that the event has been ingested into the calendar server we built. So that said, there's 10 events now. You'll see it was for the 15th. I'll make this a little bit bigger over here magically. And you'll see that we just received the data in. It came in via get reports as well. We can go over here, take a peek at it. And that would be for the 15th here. And you can see that we have not sent any of these calendar invites on the AWS stack. But in recap, what I showed you was we just ingested the data from a calendar invite into our simple invite server, or calendar server essentially, that's set up on AWS. Thanks for stopping by.